Welcome everybody to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to masking a background in a video and replace a new video to the footage. If you have not yet subscribed my video channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get quickly the notifications. So let's learn how to do that using Adobe Premiere CC 2015. I will show my sample rushes step by step as demonstrate. If you want the sample footage link, please find the link in the description. Open Premiere and make sequence and add the main clip to the sequence. Then go to Effect Control and select the opacity. Then select the pen icon in there and isolate the sky from the clip as shown in here.
Hey there, subscribe to my channel, and also press this bell icon.
Here the C side is masked, so I want that part. There you can select inverted in the opacity. Then sky was masked. Again go to project and select the new sky that needed to be replaced and adjust it as you want. I do adjust my sky with respect to the horizon matching level in this video. Now it's okay. Then make a duplicate copy to the video level 3. Then mask quarter part of the video as I done in the previous. Then blend your clip with water respect to matching the sky. So that you can use blend mode and opacity level adjustment. It can be differ from person to person. So I like this blending settings. That's all. Now you are done. Then download abstract background image and blend it like here. Otherwise you can create your own background also. Use colors for more attractive. War. You are done. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. See you again in another video.